Hey guys, it's me again. My FBI toy get review. I know that kind of stuff, but I got a bigger guy. Yeah. Realized it was the gun that that first I'm gonna do it. I'm filming a YouTube video on myself. So I got this because of the sighting. I want always this. The scope. Look. I know that was cool. What? I know. Okay. So, and what's most better about this gun? It has lighting. Lighting. Okay, there we go. But it has also lighting. Wait up. My dog sleeps in there at night. Okay, now. Oh, and this thing comes off. And when you take it off, it makes different sounds. So let me just show you sound right now. See? Okay. Be right back. I need to take this thing off. So I could just, like... I'll be right back.
I love you guys.
Love you too. Love you more. Love you much more. That was my mom and... Look at this. Oh, sorry. I was mixed up with the sensors. Can't cut that part out. Okay. It makes a different gun. Okay. Yeah, take that, everyone! Oh, yeah! Take that too. Come up, bitch. Oh. I just got too carried away there, folks. Sorry, guys. So, then put this thing back on. This is the fire department. Oh, no, actually the ambulance. You can get the poultice back. Get this guy. Makes sound. Look, this way. See? Got that. So I just bought this gun today, and when I just saw it, I was like, oh, I want that gun. Oh, yeah, I want that gun. Oh, I want that gun. Yeah, so that's why I'm doing a review on it. I really like it, and it turns out, yeah, and yeah, I really amazed. this all day, but I have to do my homework today, so get a good look at this gun. Ow. Get a good look at the gun. So I had to show you all that. The scope, the light, show you the light, and it cocks back and different sounds. So guys, I really like this, and next time I'm gonna do a review on this thing I made out of Lego sticks. So okay, that's all I have to say, guys. Bye. GG.